Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel to look up values using two different examples. Here, I have a dataset. I want the name and total sales of employees to automatically appear in adjacent cells when I enter the serial number. To do this, I will use the VLOOKUP function. Start by typing an equal sign, then write VLOOKUP and open parentheses. Select the lookup value cell or enter the lookup value directly in the formula. Add a comma, then select the range of the table where your data exists. Add another comma and enter the column index, which is the column number of the data you want to display. Add a comma and choose true or false for an approximate or exact match, respectively. You can also use 1 for true and 0 for false. Close the parentheses and hit enter. For instance, entering serial number 7 displays the name, Chloe. For the total sales column, write VLOOKUP starting with an equal sign, choose the lookup value, the same serial number cell, keep the table index the same, and set the column index to 9. Use false or 0, close the parentheses, and press enter. In example 2, we will get the email and location using the serial number. You can use other criteria, like a name, to find the data. Start by typing an equal sign, then write VLOOKUP and open parentheses. Choose the lookup value and press F4 to lock the cell. Add a comma, select the table range and press F4 to lock it. Add a comma, specify the column number, and enter 0 for false. Close the parentheses. This formula is now reusable. Drag it to the next cell using the plus sign, and it will still show the email. If you change the column number in the new formula, it will display the location. VLOOKUP is a very useful function that can also act as a search tool. Mastering this formula will help you become an Excel expert.